Hey E2 food and juicing lovers, welcome to today's video. Today, we will show you how to start your day with this refreshing apple and kiwi smoothie. Packed with vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants, this easy recipe is the perfect healthy drink for breakfast, a quick snack, or a post-workout boost. This smoothie combines the natural sweetness of crisp apples with the tangy zest of ripe kiwis, creating a deliciously fresh drink that's both nourishing and energizing. What you'll learn in this video: how to make a quick and healthy apple kiwi smoothie, the health benefits of apples and kiwis, a simple recipe you can enjoy anytime. Ingredients you'll need: 2 apples, chopped, 3 kiwis, peeled, 1 cup of water or milk for extra creaminess, ice cubes, optional, honey or maple syrup, optional. For sweetness, I use lemon instead. Not only is this apple and kiwi smoothie super refreshing, it's also packed with health benefits. Apples are full of fiber, which helps with digestion and keeps you feeling satisfied. They also support heart health and give you steady energy. Kiwis are loaded with vitamin C, actually. 1 kiwi has more vitamin C than an orange. They're great for boosting your immune system, improving skin health, and even helping with digestion thanks to a special enzyme they contain. When you blend them together, you get a smoothie that's hydrating, full of antioxidants, and naturally energizing, perfect for breakfast, after a workout, or anytime you need a healthy boost. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious smoothie and juice ideas every week. Now, stay tuned and enjoy the rest of the video and let me know in the comment section, what are your best fruits combo for smoothies?